Something to see along here as you drive along or maybe sit in traffic. The city is sort of getting taller here as the stone and the infill raises the level of the land to prepare for that next big storm, and they're adding some recreation options. It's a nice day along the East River. Rough waters represent the opposite of calm. That's why walls are going up along stretches of the New York City coastline.
Hopefully it'll work, because it was really bad when that happened.
Stephanie lives on the east side. She and her dog Fifi see the work on their walks and remember the flooding and power outages during Hurricane Sandy in 2012. Crews and contractors with the NYC Department of Design and Construction have started on the next phases. These movable gates are 16 feet above sea level. They'll stretch about a mile underneath the FDR between the Brooklyn Bridge and Montgomery Street. How do they go up and down?
So they're actually hydraulic, so you press a button and they would be in a sequence.
Here's some video from the city of a test run. They can also be raised and lowered by hand. They're anchored way down in the ground to hold back water and debris during a worst-case scenario forecast. For all the other times in the down position, they'll form new open space and recreational areas.
We didn't want to close off the water to the community. That the water is an asset.
The coastal resiliency projects started in the fall of 2020 and continue in phases. Some areas have smaller flood walls because they're more above sea level. Other sections of the East River Park are actually being raised up, adding feet of ground to act as a seawall.
It's 3.3 miles of work that we're doing here. Overall, it's approximately $2 billion worth of work. We are on budget, on schedule.
Neighbors have been watching it since some access to their parks was limited. The path is open. There's some new ball fields to open there, and you will be able to access that, walk across the new pedestrian bridge that went in a couple of days ago. That should open by September, with the entire project set to be done by 2026. On the Lower East Side, Greg Mocker, Pix 11 News.